Hey YouTube, it's JNTech. Today I will be unboxing the Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 RGB fan. I'm going to be replacing my Silencio fan on my Hyper 212 Black Edition with this fan. The only RGB component in my PC is my graphics card. Yeah, I will also be showing you the installation process of it. Are there any specs? So it's 650 to 1800 RPM, 62 CFM, 2.5 millimeter H2O for air pressure, which is static pressure. You can use this on a radiator. It has a rifle bearing 4-pin PWM and also 2-year warranty. It's rated for 160,000 hours. So yeah, let's open this right now. Alright, so I cut the tape and now let's open this. Here's the fan itself and also the wires. So let's take a look at this first. Okay, so it comes with the manual. It's pretty simple. Tells you what to do. And it comes with this. I'm not sure what this exactly is, but I think this allows you to connect to their RGB fan hub or just RGB controller. But this one doesn't have it. So yeah, 4 back screws, and then also this clip. This is a pretty neat clip because look, if you want to plug in or daisy chain the fans, you can just put this in. Yeah, you put this in and it prevents both fans from pulling out because they pull out very easily, and this prevents that, which is pretty cool. I think Cooler Master is the only brand that does this. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this for now. And here's the fan. So it's translucent fan blade for the RGB. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fan blades. Here's the back Sickleflow RGB. Then here's the RGB connector to plug into your RGB header on your motherboard. This is not a RGB, so use this for a pin. And this is to plug into your fan header. It's PWM, and this is if you want to daisy chain. Alright, so that's pretty much it for unboxing. Now let's get to the installation. Alright, so now I'm going to install the fan onto my Hyper 212 Black Edition. So first thing, I'm going to remove my graphics card because I'm going to make more room for me to clip that in. And I'm also going to clean the back plate of my GPU since it's really dusty. This is actually my first time removing this GPU ever since I got it back in December. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So first, I'm going to unplug this. There's 1, there's 2. Now let's unscrew all this. It's kind of hard doing one hand. This one's not even tight. So yeah, whoops. Whoa. Let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I got an idea. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to use these tweezers and then push the clip. I need 2 hands for this. Alright, so I got the GPU out. Here it is. A bit dusty. There's still plastic on the fans that I haven't removed yet. Alright, so I just cleaned the back plate of my GPU and now everything's looking quite fresh. I also cleaned this bottom panel with isopropyl alcohol, so everything's looking nice. Alright, let's remove the clips. And 2. Let me unplug this. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Alright, so I removed this fan. I cleaned it the other day, so it's not looking bad right now. Should I do a push and pull configuration on this heatsink? Let me know. Alright, so my ASRock B550M Pro 4 has this RGB header right here, and I'm going to plug this into here. I already got the fan plugged in, so I'm just going to plug this in right now. So I'm kind of concerned about this because look, when I plug it, it's loose. I'm not sure why, but oh, I know why it's loose. I didn't plug it in all the way. So yeah, I have the RGB cable routed behind this rubber grommet and then through this rubber grommet of the 24-pin into the header. Looks pretty clean. Let's put everything back together and turn it on. So I got everything assembled, including the GPU, and I'm pretty excited to turn it on, see how it looks. Alright guys, ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, looks pretty nice. It's also really quiet. So right now it's on the rainbow, which is this. So if you guys didn't know, ASRock's polychrome RGB is really trash. Here's stack. I don't know what that does. There's nothing. Here's static. Oh, they're on 0. So yeah, here's white. It looks a bit blue. On camera, it looks purplish. I'm going to leave it a rainbow for now. So yeah, here's rainbow. Okay, let's try running the fan at full speed. This is it at full speed, 1800 RPM. Wow, that moves a lot of air. Okay, I'm not sure you guys can hear. Can you guys hear that? Again, sorry if there's wind noise, but I can feel the air. It's moving a lot. I'm not going to be temperature testing this thing, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be around the same. There's not much of a difference. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.